How to polish your watch and remove scratches. Welcome to our guide on watch polishing. Today we'll show you how to fix scratches on your watches. This is important for anyone who cares about keeping their watches looking great. We'll teach you easy ways to make your watches shine again and clear up some myths about scratches. Watches get scratched from daily wear, bumps, or contact with rough surfaces. These marks can make your beautiful watch look worn out, which can be frustrating when you want to keep it looking new. Most watch owners feel proud of their timepieces and want them to stay pristine. Luckily, polishing can fix many scratches and keep your watch looking great for years. Here's what I use to remove scratches from my watches. Cape Cod polishing cloths for light scratches, silver polish sticks for deeper scratches. Cape Cod is a special polishing solution made just for watches. It's great for making watches shine again and removing small scratches. You can buy it in different sizes to fit your budget. Each package comes with gloves and polishing cloths to keep your watch safe during polishing. Both collectors and casual watch wearers love Cape Cod because it works so well. Cut the polishing cloth to a size that's easy to handle. Wear gloves to keep oils from your hands off the watch. I forgot to wear mine. Don't make my mistake. Get ready to use gentle circular motions on the scratched areas. Apply the Cape Cod cloth to scratched areas. Use light pressure and circular motions. Be gentle to avoid causing more damage. After polishing, you'll see a big difference. Scratches will be less visible, and the shine will be restored. Cape Cod works best on surface scratches, not deep ones. You can see how well it works by comparing polished and unpolished areas. The difference is amazing. For tougher scratches, I use silver polish sticks. The green side removes tarnish and fixes minor scratches. The white side cleans dirt and brightens the finish. Use light pressure when starting. You can always add more pressure if needed. Cape Cod is a must-have tool for anyone who collects watches. It's great for fixing small scratches and bringing back shine. Regular maintenance is key for serious collectors to keep their watches looking beautiful and lasting longer. I hope this guide helps you take care of your watches. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share with other watch fans. Check out our other videos for more watch care tips. Thanks for watching.